Cause you stiff as a board. Ain't nobody got time for that. I ain't tussling with no sponges tonight. Ain't happening. Okay, Kelly taking over tomorrow night, y'all. Y'all heard it here first. I ain't got no recycle. Y'all see how that baking soda did this paste? Now y'all remember how liquidy it was? Look at this. Where is the liquid? Where is the liquid? Y'all was complaining, talking about, oh, it's water. Now where is the water now? Y'all gotta believe in me. Don't count me out, count me in, okay? Okay, y'all, 24, somebody pin that, 24-hour live. We got 2 big squeezers gonna be putting us on the map. They're gonna carry us through the day. The real question is, can I DoorDash you some product? Girl, all the stores is closed here. If they wasn't, I will let you. Y'all, this got so pasty. Oh my God. Now we need some liquids. I knew I should have saved some of them liquids. I knew it. Now I'm about to be fighting for my life. Let's dump this thing. I still got cans to go in here and a box of baking soda. Okay, y'all, squeeze, please is getting on tonight. No, Hilda, when you put all that freaking powder in that sink, bruh, I want to do that so bad. Look, it ain't gonna get pasty. Now look. Now we got to fight for our life to get a squeezer too. Y'all, all I got is water. All I got is water. Carolyn said add water. Carolyn said add water. Where Bree at? Bree, are you here? Y'all, I got Bree box of pop, but I can't keep using her box of pop. I already used her box of pop 2 times. She ain't got her pop yet because I keep using it. That sounds like a plan right there. That sounds like a plan right there. Oh, that is dry. See what happened when I listen? I should just listen to myself. Y'all like, oh, it's so watery, Sammy. You didn't get enough powder. Now we over here squeezing cement. Water is free. Where can I send for the pop? Not where can I send for the pop? Baby, that baking soda did its biggest one. I can't believe that baking soda thickened all that paste up like that. It is so thick. This was just all water. It had to be the baking soda and the fabric softener. Had to be. That baking soda and that fabric softener. Turn this into Play-Doh. That's what my kids used to call Play-Doh. Mama, can we play with the Play-Doh, please? Girl, what the hell is Play-Doh? This is a tote. This is not a pool. The pool got laid to rest. We just had a service. Would anybody like to say a word? Would anybody like to say a word on behalf of the Big Bag Baddie pool? She was laid to rest at 5 this morning. Baby, we got 24 more cans and a box of baking soda that gotta go in here. I'm about to just go add water. I can't believe this. I don't mind hand mixing. Y'all want me to do a powder mountain? What she don't know won't hurt her. Okay, I see. Yes, yes, yes. Yep, all in hand mix. Okay. Whatever the chat says goes. 2 bottles of pop. L said no. L, really, you gonna be the only no in the whole chat? For real? What do I smell the most? Oh, there go another no. Hey, King Pink. Hey, Romy. Okay, we got 3 no's and 137 yeses. We got 3 no's and 115 yeses. Them no's ain't making no noise. We win. Shari said we win. The end. Oh my God, y'all. I can't believe that baking soda disrespected this paste like that. We put it in and it meant business. Now, you see what happened when you ask and you receive? Y'all wanted a paste so bad. Now, look. Who want to fight? Because she ready to tussle from the shoulders. From the shoulders. Hilda, please. I'm crying. Oh, Princess said she got your back. Princess said she got your back, Elle. So you ain't even got to squabble up by yourself. Hey, Lauren. What did we learn today, class? Don't ask for something that you not sure that you want. Y'all wanted a paste so bad. Now look at this. We can't even squeeze. I didn't even know that was Hilda. Period, Suds loving. Okay.